Hey guys, today we're going to change out the fog light bulb on my 2015 Chevy Silverado. In the previous video we did the high beam and the low beam. We're going to replace the stock bulb with these off of Amazon Oxito LED fog light. You can see the model number there, and we're going to do the white. Real simple. T15 Torx screwdriver, and we'll get started by taking out a couple of screws in here. There's one and then two up here, so let's get those out and we'll pick back up from there. All right, so I got the panel off, and you can sort of see in there, pretty much right there. Yeah, there we go. You can see the light there. So I've already got the clip. I reached in there with my right hand and the thumb on the top, push down, and the little socket pops out. So next we'll get the bulb out. Okay, I have the bulb out, and this is what the bulb looks like. This was in the housing, and then there was the electrical connector on top of that. To get the electrical connector out, you'll press your thumb on the top of the connector, and then you pull the connector out. And then notice these clips here, if this will focus, these clips on the side. You have to squeeze these in and then pull the bulb out of the housing. So I ended up taking a third screw out. It gives me a lot more room access, so you can see right there in the housing. So focus, yeah. So you can see the electrical connector right here. Yeah, and there's just a button on the top there that you can squeeze to pull it off of the light bulb. So let's take a look at the new bulb and compare with the old bulb. Okay, so here we got the old bulb, regular halogen, I guess. You can see the little clips there. Here's the new one we're going to replace it with. And it's important these little clips are the same, and they are set up the same way, so that's good. So let's get the new bulb in there, plug it in, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, we got the bulb in there now. And the power connector cable should be pointed down. That's the way to get that in there. You'll see the grooves, and you'll be able to push the bulb into place and click it. So the next thing to do is just to attach the connector. So let's do that next. Okay, bulb's plugged in, turned it on just to make sure. And here you can see that's a nice bright white. Just for comparison, here's the old bulb here in the yellow. Definitely not quite as bright as the white. So all right, got both lights in, and that looks nice, bright white. All right, now we have the low beams and the fog lights on, so you can see bright white matches better. So anyway, hope you found this video helpful. If you would, like and subscribe, and good luck with your truck.